Groceries again.
Mosquitoes have been stupid lately.
It has been confirmed that it is a bite.
I meant for it to fall.
Trying to enhance. Another beautiful day. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I can get everything I need to get done today and just be successful. Groceries again. Let's get this packed up and put away. Pack paper towels. Mosquitoes have been
Stupid lately.
so got some off Deep Woods insect repellent. Hopefully this works out. Then crunch, a little old school moment. Pork sausage links, your tots, bananas, frozen blueberries, corn. The sweets got 2 packs of Kit Kat, one for Jonah, one for Tommy. Had to get some zebra cakes. I don't eat them all the time though, but they're truly one of my favorites. London her Rojo caramel, creamy caramel wrapped chocolates that I am definitely gonna be having some. It says the shared pack, so. Restock of vanilla ice cream. Help it, but I had to guess the butter pecan crunch. This one is a southern style. Juice restock. Got a Minute Maid berry punch. Made fruit punch. 2 apple juices. Got some electrolytes Propel water beverage. This has been a little bit of a staple because the kids are kind of hard on drinking just regular water. So this is a kind of like a second option because it does taste like juice. They're literally by like Gatorade. Where does it say it? Somewhere. Oh, right there. So anyways, this is an 18 pack. The kiwi strawberry is one of my favorites, but Jonah mainly loves it and it's just a good go-to. 2 24 packs of bottled waters, 4 gallons of water so that we can end up filling up cooler since on empty. So we gotta fill it up. 18 pack bold mix chips. Wines. This one has 4 little bottles, just like a 1 person per bottle kind of situation, and it's great. I tried this one. This one is very citrusy, so I think it's like fruity kind of wine, but it is a 12%, so it's really not that bad. Tried this one before, really love it, and I got this one with Cabernet Sauvignon. I don't know if that's how you say it, but the 14 Hands Winery Columbia Valley wine that Tommy has gotten a few times before. I've enjoyed all of them, so I was like, you know what? Gotta order this one. So we got those 2 in hand. Oh my goodness, look at this silly. Sweet. You're such a good girl. Who are you instigating, Mr. Bluey? Are you looking for goods? Did you find some food on the floor? You're so cute, Bluey. Okay. We're all friends here. And he flew on my shoulder. Excuse me? Okay. Bye! First dinner, we got the broccoli, pork chops, and the rice and the beans, and chopping up some potatoes. The rice going, beans are doing their thing in there.
Can I borrow this?
You get all the other ones. What about it? I like what you did here because it has colors. This one looks like
making me think of like making like a burger place.
London. I don't even know. They're like little waffles, right?
Yeah, like they're kind of like breads.
These are little toppings in the cup. This is really cute. It's like a whole situation. Wait a second. Oopsies. I don't want to sit around. Of course, a scoop. What is this one, Mama? Are you gonna make more stuff?
Yeah.
That's
No,
cool.
that one is for sprinkles. See, like
Cute.
rainbow frosting.
Ice cream scoop. Just put the ice cream doesn't stick to the bottom of it.
Status update. Oh my gosh, I know that my face looks more swollen. It has been confirmed that it is a bite. Thanks to my sister. She ended up recommending me a couple of things to get so that I can kind of like take care of that. It has been a healing. I was not expecting this whole situation. So I'm just gonna show you what I been using for the bite, and I also did a couple of purchases online from Walmart, so I'm gonna show you what I got. It is another day. Also an update. Once again, I said that it was a bite. I think I ended up getting a spider bite or something. Not really sure. The point is that it was super painful. So my sister ended up sending me a link to a product that I don't have to use, basically 2-in-1. Like what it looks like, she recommended me this for any type of like swelling and stuff like that. And I gotta say, for the skin in general, because the face is such a sensitive area, I was trying not to even mess with the bite. So castor oil, I did find this castor oil with vitamin C. Little bit goes a long way, and I mixed it up with some tea tree oil. The scent of tea tree oil is extremely potent and it could be very unpleasant, but with the mixture it kind of like brings it down a little bit. Now if you do have some like open tears, like open skin, you have to be very careful, but these have been helping me throughout this process here. There was a couple of things that I ended up getting and might as well just share. Makeup cleansing water, and it's all in one. It hydrates, cleanses, and removes the makeup. And I got these little cotton balls, little small essentials. We all would like to improve any aspect, wanna, you know, do better besides just brushing my teeth and flossing. So my sister recommended this concentrated mouthwash, and you have to put in some water along with like I think 4 to 6 drops with this. I haven't started using it, so I definitely will be giving like an update. I guess this mouthwash is stronger than your regular ordinary mouthwashes and is more of a natural ingredients, and that's why I'm trying to enhance. I've heard a lot of oil pulling, and you can use like coconut oil and kind of swish in your mouth for a certain amount of time frame. I'm really excited to start using this one. Guru Nanda oil pulling. This toothbrush is a little different than your regular toothbrush. It looks like thicker bristles. It came with pulling oil. So we're gonna go ahead and try those out and then basically give like a status on it on another video. A very important thing that I have been losing lately is my sunscreen. Your 50 SPF. I need to make sure that I'm being really on top of this with my skin and also with Tommy, because Tommy does work outdoors. These little tweezers, I got them from Temu, and they brought like a 4-pack, and I was just really impressed because these are like really heavy duty, and 4 of these were about 2 something. They are stronger and even better than the ones that I've purchased. There's like 2 other ones that I have. I don't have them in hand. But anyways, I think that is all the products right now that I have. So yeah. Here you go. I meant for it to fall like. Here you go. Take it, take that one, and then this one here.
Second and 1. Howell is going to load up. Are we all just looking for the hot?
So this means that it's charging right now? Is that what that is?
Strategies to position our clients.
It's for you, right?
No, we don't sell commission products. We're
AJ Epinesa, the fourth interception of the day for this Bills defense.
His first career touchdown.
Wow.
We'll go get it on after this attempt right here.
Is it gonna move?
Murray the running. I was going to say, that played against everything we just took.
It's like stuck. Right now.
It's hailing. Is the ice is falling?
You never had that before.
this big. They're huge.
I'm hailing.
That's really
Can you
nice.
eat hail?
That's healing.
I go out there and turn this manguera off.
No?
Oh shoot.
These are bigger.
Holy smokes! This
You
is
are
like,
not going out there.
This is like the ice from Publix.
I'll go out there.
This one?
Love it.
No, you're not going out there.
Come on, let's go out
Not
there.
get ice on.
On the porch, we can go.
Exactly. But
Come on,
the ice
man.
would do. Look at all that ice for. Oh my goodness.
Ice fell over here.
Yeah, what's that?
People die of this? Seriously?
Go.
Yeah, he would not go. Once the ice cube for you.
It's flooded! Oh my god, it's flooded! Water!
Come on.
It was just.